Hey, this is Troy with TCJ Construction. We're here at 19425 Southwest Winslow Drive in Beaverton, cammering a sewer line after a spot repair near the SETI connection on property. We've been running water in the pipe. We're going to pull back and go through our repair and show that everything is complete, not holding water. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pull back. This is the SETI connection right here where we tied into it. We're going back through a 45, and this is the end of the repair right there. Everything looks great. It's not holding water. We'll pull back to the clean out here. Alright, that concludes this inspection of this repair.